Hey everyone, let's chat about the Core 2 Duo and Core Time 2, two new Core devices that bring a modern spin to that classic Pebble vibe. First up, the Core 2 Duo. It's like a reboot of the classic Pebble 2 with that super crisp 1.2 6-inch black and white e-paper display that's amazing in sunlight. It runs over 10,000 apps and watch faces, which is a huge nod to Pebble's cult following. They've swapped out the old internals for a modern Nordic BLE chip, added a speaker, and even upgraded the buttons so they last 30% longer, and the best part? The battery jumps from a mere week to a jaw-dropping 30 days. But here's the catch, in today's world, that retro e-paper look might actually feel a bit nostalgic. While it's brilliant for battery life and outdoor readability, it's not exactly gonna wow someone who's used to vibrant, smooth OLED screens on Apple, Garmin, or the latest Android Wear devices. Now, let's talk about the Core Time 2. This one ups the ante with a 1.5-inch 64-color e-paper display, so you get more room for text and details, which sounds great on paper. It's got a metal frame, flat glass to cut down on glare, and even a touchscreen along with a heart rate monitor. They're really trying to add a premium feel here. But even with these upgrades, the OS is still pretty rooted in that button-driven simplicity, so the touchscreen is more of a nice to have rather than a fully fleshed out feature. In a market where everyone's getting used to the super responsive, feature-rich interfaces of mainstream smartwatches, this hybrid approach might come off as a bit half-baked. And here's the bigger picture. While both models promise up to 30 days of battery life and a return to Pebble's minimalist, distraction-free design, they're up against smartwatches that do so much more. Competitors offer vibrant displays, advanced health tracking, think ECG and blood oxygen sensors, and a much richer ecosystem of apps that get constant updates. These Core devices are clearly for the die-hard fans who love the idea of a watch that practically never needs a charge and works great in bright sunlight. But for the average user who expects a fully polished, all-in-one wearable experience, this might feel like you're sacrificing a bit too much of the modern bells and whistles. Oh, and before I forget, if you're thinking about snagging one, the Core 2 Duo costs $149 and starts shipping in July. The Core Time 2, with its larger 64-color display and metal frame, costs $225 and starts shipping in December. Both are available in limited quantities with worldwide shipping. Pre-ordering is the only way to get one. They won't be sold in stores, so if you're ready to embrace that retro charm and long battery life, head over to their online store and pre-order today. Peace.